Hello, welcome to my channel today. In this video, I want to talk about rubber thread packing extension. This hairstyle is suitable for every girl child in secondary school, I mean your daughters. Because this hairstyle can last for like 2 to 3 weeks or 1 month, depending on the kind of style you are using your rubber thread to make for your daughter. And I discovered one thing about this rubber thread extension. Since I started using this rubber thread to make my daughter's hair, the growth of my daughter's hair started increasing from time to time. That is why I love using this rubber thread to make my daughter's hair, especially if you are using it for packing like what I'm doing in this video. And if you are not a hairstylist like me and you want to do this rubber thread for your daughter yourself, what you will do as you are plaiting this hair, once you get to the tip of the hair, you add more rubber thread extension at the end so that if you want to pack this hair, it's not going to give you stress. Though I'm not a hairstylist, but I'm going to try my best to make this hair beautiful and standard, to make my daughter happy. If you are not a hairstylist like me, don't forget, remember to add more rubber thread extension to avoid you missing any style you are making with this rubber thread, because you are not going to find it funny if you reduce the rubber thread. Just see the way I'm doing it in this video, like and share my video, and give me a courageous comment. Thank you.
I want me to welcome you with a glass of water and something to eat from a woman. Do you know that sprouted bread that you left? I didn't eat it because you know I don't like butter. And you put butter on it. I don't like soup. That means I haven't even eaten anything all day. And you're telling me how do I welcome you? Oh, so you that you come back now, I should go and cook for my family. I come back after 12 days. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Is it me you're speaking to that way?
Look at the way you're speaking to me. I've been out there all day and I saw your phone.
Wow.
I'm sorry. I couldn't take your calls because, like I said, I was
Hey, you couldn't take 16 missed calls?
Yes. Because I was in
all day.
Yes.
All day.
I was in front of strangers. You know, some people, before they help
well done.
At this point, I want to show you step by step on how I managed to finish this packing rubber thread hairstyle for my daughter. Plaiting it is not the issue here. As I'm plaiting it, the thing was going smoothly until when I want to pack this hair. That is when the war started. But finally, I got the style. I'm happy I got the style. We started it in the morning, we end this hairstyle in the night, but at the end everybody was happy because I got the style. If this is your first time of you coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for joining me for today.